Alaji, that you know, hey, yo, whoa, na, hey. See the love I see by your eyes, oh, yo, I love you, baby, I don't think I'm twice.
Hey y'all. So I had the occasion of having her, style my hair and braid it, and I am so in love. She's kind of like my aunt, and she's just the sweetest. Her salon is located in the Arlington area, and I go there on occasionally just to do my hair, and she is just, I love her. So I just decided to do a full tutorial to show you guys, like a step-by-step process on how on how she does my hair pretty much.
Baby, palanga, I will love you forever. Oh, na, na, duro.
So she did single braids. I think it took her about no, not 30 minutes. Hell no. Sorry guys. About 2 hours, 1 hour probably. Yeah, about an hour or so. And usually just starts and then she braids halfway through and she lets it go. So it saves some more time. But I think it was also more efficient also. If not, we would have, probably stayed there the whole night or something. So, but she did about halfway through, and then she started, uh, doing the cornrows.
Palanga, you're the mother of my two baby, Palanga, and if we like, we make a diddy, baby, Palanga, and we love you forever. Oh, na, duro, Zaga, duro, Kublan.
And in this case, as you can see, she started with a small section, and then she built her way all through. Um, so you have to start in this case with a small piece of hair, then start increasing it the more you go downward. She would always have me hold the edge of the braid so it doesn't pull my hair out too harshly. So that's why she always has me hold the end of the braid. She's done this for years now, so she is definitely a professional in this, and I trust her work. You guys should check her out. She has an Instagram page, Beauty by Blessed Hands. And then if you are in the Dallas, Texas area, you could check her out as well. I don't think you'll be disappointed, trust me. You would love her. And she's great. She has a great personality and she's saved. Huge plans. But yeah, when she braids, it doesn't hurt at all, by the way. It's just very seamless, and I do like that about her braiding style. So
You go follow me, you're my remedy, you're my melody. If you been a harmony, you go give me, baby Palanga. I will show you love that you never see. Palanga, you're the mother of my two baby Palanga. And if we like, we make a deal, baby Palanga. I will love you forever. Oh, na na, duro, baby duro, eh, duro, yeah. Follow me. I go dance, girl, follow me, your daddy, your mommy. But don't tell me I want to see, If you be haunted, I go look your face, Baby, loving me, touching me, Say you must marry me, You go never me, You go killing me, baby. baby. You go follow me. You're my remedy. You're my melody. If you been a harmony, you go give me. Baby, palanga. I wish you.
So as you can see, she already braided both sides. Right now, she's about to, part the middle part. So because that's where she's going to be braiding about, I think having about 3 braids. Yeah. So this is where she will be focusing the style that I wanted her to do on my hair, especially around, as you can see at the crown area.
Say you must marry me, you go love me, you go kill me, baby, you go follow me. You're my remedy, you're my melody, you be in a harmony.
That's the finished look. Like I mentioned earlier, she did the 3 braids right there, as you can see. 2 curved braid and then 1 straight braid. So comment down below your favorite style you've done throughout the summer and tag me on Instagram.
Baby Palanga, I will show you love that you never see. Palanga, you're the mother of my 2 baby. Baby Palanga, and if we like, we make a deal, baby. Baby Palanga, I will love you forever. Oh, nana, duro, duro.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Baby, duro.